Welcome to the Storybook Galaxy.
A spark of hope. In a faraway village, winter's chill brought silence, but one girl's story was about to warm every heart. A story of courage and hope. This is Mary, a brave little girl who worked hard to support her ailing parents. The cold was harsh, but her determination was stronger than the frost.
Excuse me, would you like to buy some matches?
Most doors closed, yet Mary refused to lose hope. Her steps faltered in the thick snow, but her resolve never did.
Here, child, stay warm out there.
Thank you, ma'am.
The aroma of fresh bread filled her senses, making her hunger unbearable.
If only I could taste just one bite.
As the night grew colder, the frost bit at her tiny fingers and toes.
Just one match? Maybe it will help me feel warm for a little while. It's so much cold out here now, may God help me.
In the glow of the tiny flame, an extraordinary vision unfolded.
Is this real? It's so beautiful.
A garden of wonders appeared, where every flower glowed like a jewel.
Easy, it's more beautiful than anything I've ever imagined.
A feast fit for a queen awaited her, brimming with treats and delights.
This is the most delicious thing I've ever tasted.
For the first time in her life, Mary felt truly happy and carefree. But as the match burned out, the enchanting vision started to fade.
Was it all just a dream?
Little one, why are you out here all alone in this freezing cold? Here, take this. Get yourself something warm to eat.
Thank you, sir. You've saved me.
For the first time in days, Mary felt the warmth of kindness and the promise of better days.
My brave girl, you've done so much for us.
With the help of the coins, Mary began to learn to read and write, a dream she thought impossible. Her thirst for knowledge inspired everyone around her. She poured her dreams and imagination into her drawings, creating wonders on paper.
This is extraordinary, Mary. You have a real gift.
Her art began to captivate the hearts of everyone in the village.
This is remarkable work. I'd like to buy this piece.
Mary's art became a symbol of hope and resilience, inspiring her village and beyond. Mary became rich with the passage of time. trustee gifted a new home to her parents.
You've made us so proud, Mary.
Mary shared her gift, spreading joy and inspiration to the next generation. She never forgot where her journey began, cherishing every step along the way. Mary's art became a symbol of hope and resilience, inspiring her village and beyond.
This is for you to thank you for always believing in me.
The matchstick that once symbolized her struggles now glowed as a beacon of her triumphs. And so, Mary's story reminds us all to never lose hope, for even the smallest spark can ignite a world of possibilities.
Shadows rise, we stand tall. Through darkness we push, break the wall. Our hearts beat as one, iron strong. In lands unknown we belong. Mountains high we scale without fear. Our dreams echo loud, crystal clear.
If you like the story, then do like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.